Hey, Mike McGrory here from Mike's Backyard Nursery. Pam and I are actually putting in a lawn here at our new house. And, you know, I've got a tractor. We've had the tractor here, but this got a little bit sticky and wet, and I don't want to put the tractor on here and make a mess of it. So I'm using my faithful Mantis Tiller to scratch up the soil and get me something. I use it for leveling, and I use it for moving soil towards me if I need to fill in an area, and then I use it to just scratch this up. So I'll give you a kind of an example of what I got going on here.